All right, guys. So it's the next morning. Let's see what we got. Oh my God! Oh my gosh. True reaction here because I can't believe what I'm seeing right now. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Do you see this? Do you see this? Oh my gosh. Is it really up to my door? I can't tell. Oh my gosh, it is. Look. Oh my God. I think it's because of the wind. That's the reason. Oh my gosh. Okay. Now, true test. How am I going to get Jake out? Oh my gosh, this is so crazy. Oh my word. This is so nuts. I know. Look, Jake. Okay, let's check the back door. This is the front door. Oh my gosh, we gotta check the back door. Okay. Jake's gotta go out somehow, right? Alright. It looks like it's still snowing out there. It's blowing. It's blowing. Alright. Okay, so I am now headed to my back door. And I know, stupid glass. I hate this glass. I am pushing on the back door. But the barbecue grill, or barbecue, no, fire pit is completely almost covered. Chairs almost covered. Tables almost covered. But it is a winter wonderland out here. And yeah, this is gonna be fun trying to get Jake out today. Yeah. Love you guys.